Are you playing with a dinosaur? What's a dinosaur doing? Look at this dinosaur. Are you gonna call it Mr. Vito? Are you gonna call it Fallinator? You call it Fallinator? I mean, look at this dinosaur. Brandon, what are you doing? Are you playing? That sounds like a lot of fun. Fallon, are you playing with a dinosaur? Are you trying to cut your car again, Brandon? Oh yeah? Look at the doggy. Very interesting. Fallon, what's going on with your dinosaur? Are you playing with the car, Fallon? Okay. What are you doing, Cameron?
I'm messing with the dog, man.
Ooh. Okay.
Whoa, who's it there? A dinosaur.
Ooh. Say hi.
What is it?